Hey, what's up guys? Do people even watch my videos anymore? Here, today. Today, I have received... Don't look at that. Stop. No way. Hey, what's up guys? Protecting my identity here. Today, I ordered a pair of shoes off StockX, and I've never ordered off StockX before. So I figured I'd record it because it's kind of out of the ordinary, I guess you'd say, because StockX is basically a company that basically you can sell or buy shoes on, and when you sell shoes, what happens is they get sent to the StockX place and they make sure that they've never been worn and that they're real. So it looks like a little bit of damage right here, I won't lie. We've got the Originals logo. I got a size 12, might be a little bit too big, but I guess we'll see. So you got this. Pretty epic. Okay. Let's get this boy out of the way. So I'm really excited to see how these are going to turn out. So let's open these boys up. No way. These are NMD Racer, something Racer. So you get a little sheet here. It just says the name. Adidas NMD Racer Urban Racing, nice. Colorway core black, solar pink, epic. Style new, 100% authentic. This is the price, $93.95. It looks like we have a totally legit signature here. Totally epic and real. It's shiny. So it says, snap a pic, show us your verified authentic tag, upload to Instagram, hashtag StockX, get featured, brag to your friends. That sounds worth it to me. So we get some epic stickers, self-advertising for them, super cool. So here's the big epic reveal. Here they are. Holy bitch. Holy dick. Holy epic. They've got StockX's little verified authentic and then a barcode. I don't know how exactly I'm supposed to take this off. I guess just cut it or something. Epic. Oh, goodbye. So that's pretty cool. A little plastic token. We got the tag right here. Racer PK, I'm assuming for pink. You get a random, so like these tabs on the back come in strings like in the factories, and there's American, German, Chinese or Japanese, and French. I mean, these seem like really comfortable, stretchy. Yeah, so they're pretty stretchy shoes. They're gonna be like socks, which is good, you know. That's what you want in shoes, is them to not be like shoes. I guess I'll try these little boys on and then do a little review. So these shoes actually just feel like socks. Like, they are so stretchy. And I ordered, I think I'm around an 11.5 right now. So I ordered a half size big. And these are snug as a foot in a shoe. Alright, what's up guys? I am back with the shoes. I have been wearing these shoes for, it's probably been about 3 weeks. I know, it's been a long time since I recorded that video. They are absolutely, by far the most comfortable shoes I've ever worn. I mean, they're not good for the cold because they have no protection against heat. They just don't. They're like socks. It's like wearing just socks. They are so comfortable though. For the summertime, for areas where it doesn't get super cold, these are great. I mean, they're really comfortable. Like I've said earlier, they're like socks. I mean, they don't get super dirty on the bottom. I mean, the boost, I don't know if you can see that. It gets kind of dirty in between it. I mean, but they're shoes, what do you expect? I mean, they can be cleaned, it's not that big of a deal. But yeah, I mean, I haven't had any problems with them, any comfort issues. They're great shoes. I would definitely recommend buying these if you're looking to buy a pair of Adidas. Go with the NMDs. They have a couple colorways of these. I really like the gray colorway that's out. Super nice. So yeah, that's how these have been for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Might be posting some other epic videos in the future because I've been kind of getting into clothes recently. I know, I'm straight, I promise. But I'm just enjoying it, so I might be making some videos on that. So we're gonna reach for 10, 15 views on this video. See if I can revive my dying channel. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you later, man.